What's going on, Prentice Hills Mall, you guys? They got a Champs outlet here. No, most of you guys don't know about it. Let's go see what's up. All right, we do have a nondescript Champs right there. Like, you don't even know. Like, look how small that sign is. Like, come on, man. Y'all need to step up your game. But yeah, this is definitely an outlet. Yeah, I didn't really believe people when they told me. But yeah, you look. We'll go inside and we'll look at the deals. Y'all will see what I'm talking about. All right, this is the entire store. That's the footwear section, and then the apparel. The apparel section is usually nuts here. All right, let's look. All right, we do see some interesting stuff. Pricing is definitely interesting here. Let's take a look. Are these the Quantum 360s? Holy crap. Oh, the 180s. These are the 180s because the gel stuff right here doesn't go around the whole thing. And it doesn't go on the inside as well. Okay. $40. I think these only go for like, what, over $100, so not bad. Got another colorway of those, the Quantum 180s. We got some, is this Converse? Yeah, Converse going for $20, and this is like suede too. Suede feels so good. Holy crap. I don't know about the color. Oh, it's Nubuck. My bad, you guys. Nubuck, which is a very, very short hair suede. $20 for those. That's crazy. And we got a canvas pair. Life is too short to waste. Dang, $20. Normally $60. $20. What a steal, you guys. Holy crap. The bulkiest shoes in the world, you guys. $40 for these though. Damn, these are holy crap, these are bulky. Wow. Dang, I was like, are these the regular OG ones? No. Nope, they're not. Hey, these are pretty dope. $30? Yeah, that's what's up. Converse, you never see Converse like that. $30, damn. I just love it when they have bootleg signs. But not $129, but $29.99. Yeah, the color on those, yeah, that's a little bit much though. Tailwinds, pretty much the exact same price as the Nike outlets right there. Air Max 1s, $80, not too bad. I think normally these go for what, $140 or something? $130, so not too bad. $100 for these, that's only what, $10, $20 off? That's not the best deal. And the suede pair, got some suede on the bottom. Air Max 1s right here. Air Max 95s going for $100, $60 off. Air Max Plus, a little discount. These bad boys going for $100. Air Max Deluxe, we saw these in droves at the Nike outlets. Wait, did I miss that? Air Max Plus right there, going for $80. Is this another Air Max Deluxe going for $80? Interesting. Man, these are like super heavy. Holy crap. Got some Air Max 95s, going for $80. 50% off, dang. More Air Max 95s. Holy guacamole, they got a lot of these. Another Air Max 95. Man, they got some good prices, you guys. And look at these Air Max 97s. Look at these, $100 off. Freaking $100 off. Holy guacamole. The best thing I love about it, look, $60 for those, $100 for those. The same one, so yeah, that's funny. You got Prestos, $50 for those. Got some Element Reacts going for $50. Air Max 200s, they're gonna just keep falling. Cause yeah, we've talked about the Air Max 200s, they're just gonna keep falling in price. React 270s, those are like the ones right before the Air Max 200s that just fell. Yeah, these are rock bottom. We know all the joyrides, they've been going down. These are all going for $50, that's insane. Got so much to see. Got the Metcons go for $60. More Metcon Flyknits are here, wow. Got the LeBrons going for $70. Pretty solid deal, because these went for what, one? Yeah, these are the lows, so they went for $160 a while back. Another pair go for decent price. PGs, we've seen these at the clearance center go for a little bit cheaper. Then we've seen these, the Shocks BB4s, we've seen these for cheaper than that. Still not bad though, $80, 50% off, I believe. Have not seen these in a while. The Mars 270, the top 3 colorway. Not seen these in a while. $50, that's a steal. These look huge though. These look huge. What size are these? Oh, these are size 12, so not huge. Bigger than my feet, but not crazy. And then 0.1s. These are so good for hoops, to be honest. So comfortable. Just your feet sweat like crazy. Yeah, $50, not too bad. Just as cheap as the Nike outlets with a lot of this stuff. The Epic Rec Flyknit 2s go for $60. Super cheap. Adidas deals, amazing, you guys. $80 for these. Full length boots for $30. That's just crazy. The PODs. Stack in the back is just crazy. Just no zoom in the front. No boost in the front, which kind of sucks. Dude, got the fake Yeezys, you guys. But these are Adidas, so they're faking their own stuff. I don't know, but yeah, $30 for these. This is encased. boost, so I don't know if you're gonna feel too much. NMDs. I got these at home. These are super dope. Perfect summer shoe. Not summer anymore, but I'm surprised they haven't dropped these down. They've had these for over a year now. Yeah, normally $200 down to $80. Then look at this. That's just the cheapest. Wow, $50. $50 for Ultraboost. Holy guacamole, that's cheap. Holy crap. Dude got some hover shoes. I know people have been asking for Under Armour vlogs. I haven't had time, sorry. Yeah, $80 for these hover shoes. Got these going for $70. Oh, these are the cheapest. Wow, $50 for hover shoes. I don't know what the going rate is, but seems pretty cheap. Got these as well. At the regular malls, we haven't seen the RSX for that cheap lately because they're all back to regular price. $50, normally $110. That's the best price we've seen in a long time. I got some RSOs, Puma RSOs going for $30. That's a decent price, normally $100. Suede Pumas, not too bad. They're literally called the Suedes, going for $30. It's a hell of a deal. And then that's almost as cheap as these Suedes. Look at that, $20 for Suede, man, that's crazy. Dude got some Reebok Old Schools, you guys. $30 for these. I don't know the name of these. I just call them old school because they got that old school look. $30 for those as well. Same silhouette, different colorway. Yeah, the gum looks dope. I don't know about much else on this one. That plastic thing kind of kills it for me, in my opinion. Dang, what a dope silhouette. What a terrible color. That's just my opinion. That's interesting colorway as well. Ooh, some Hardens. These are actually dope. $40 for these. Wow, that's so cheap. Does utilize light strike. Super light, super comfy. $40. That's crazy. Got some Dame 5s. These are huge though. These are like a size 13. I was gonna say, yep, 13. $40. Not too shabby. If they fit you, not bad. More old schools right there. Not too bad. I think we've seen these for $30 in the past. Is that the Zig Tech? I know this stuff usually goes for a hell of a lot. Yeah, $120. So more than 50% off. What? Look at this. $15? $15 for the Reebok Classics? That's crazy, guys. That's just crazy. That's ridiculous, man. What size is this? It's a size 12, so it's not even crazy. And we got the Reebok Furies. These are pretty light. Wow, I've never held these in hand. Got a couple different colorways. Yeah, crazy price. This is an outlet, so all sales are final. Let's take out the kids sneakers. Yeah, got some interesting stuff. Let's see what's up. Dude, got the LeBron and the GS colorways. Couple of them go for $40. Dang, dude, that's just crazy. It's crazy prices, you guys. That one that's not bad either. $50. Lakers colorway. Command Forces go for way too much. Dude, got the Soldiers. Not too bad. I think I got mine for a little bit cheaper for my kid. Then we got these as well. Got the top 3 Mars 270s. Got some Jordan 4s. I think these are the True Berries. Got the winter Jordan 8s. Graffitis. The graffiti colorway of the Zoom Freak ones. Dude, price is not bad. You guys, $70 for these. These normally one for $160. Ooh, do we got the Swipers here? What the heck? Really? That is a kid size, but yeah, I'm still surprised though. $50 for those. Tailwinds. Got the Prestos. I'm really surprised at the selection here as well as the prices, man. Prices are really good. Got these bad boys right here. Man, these are dope. Dude, and look at these, man. This is dope. $40 for the Ultraboost. This is the Toy Story colorway. Does have Toy Story branding right there. Dude, $40 for that? That's crazy. I had to text my girl to see if my kid wants this one. Got a bunch of stuff here on sale for the kids. Wow. Bunch of Reeboks going for $20. At least a few of them will go for $20. Because we have more going for $30 and $40. The RSXs. I don't know why that says $50, then that one says $30. I'm gonna go with the 31. Got a couple more colorways. Dang, not bad. Let's see what's going on with the women's. Yeah, these are definitely not necessary in Southern California. Air Force One boots. But I think these normally go for like $130 or something. So $30, that's actually crazy cheap. Wow. Dang, women's shoes being given away. Stan Smith's right there, go for $20. Continentals, the colorway not too bad. $20 for these. Got a suede version, go for $20 as well. Man, suede's feeling good too. Dang. Ultraboost going for hella cheap, going for $70. Wow. Oh, I think that's the same colorway. Why did they have two right next to each other? Which ones are these? Are these the Cayanos? Yeah, the Cayano 25s going for 60. Do you got the suede and gum ones? $20 for that? Man, some of the prices here are kind of crazy. More Cayanos right here go for 30. Some more go for 60. We got some of the Air Max Plus here go for 80. Same one, different colorway. It does have that. We saw these at the Nike outlet. It does have confetti inside. Kind of moves. Kind of interesting. Some regular Air Max Plus, $50. Some more go for 70. Still in the women's section, do got the Air Max 97s. Bronze colorway. Another bronze colorway going for 60. So you got some Air Max 98s here. 720s going for $70. Got some deluxe. More Air Max. Dang, how many Air Max Plus they got? Apparently they got quite a few. $50. They got the Phantom React Flynets, no laces, all React. $50, hella cheap. Pegasus 35 is going for $30. Holy guacamole. These were $120 when they came out. They've been out for a few years though. Dang, selection, not bad. Dude, not bad at all. The only thing that sucks is it's final sales, but yeah. Their apparel section is usually pretty dope. I got a couple minutes because we kind of need to make it to one spot. Let's look around a little bit. Those of you with kids, $5 for all this stuff. These are the CSG. I think that's their house brand, but they got fleece shorts right here. Plenty of different sizes. They got sweatshirts, all going for $5, dude. Normally $40. $5. That's insane, you guys. That's crazy. Dude got the camo. What is that? Fleece tech? Is that tech fleece? Yeah, $50 for those. The matching pants going for 50. Are these like swimming trunks or something? Going for $20. Or running shorts, it looks like. Normally 50, go for $20. Got these. What are these going for? Normally 55. I know that's not their price. I don't know what the price is on those. Anybody need these? Going for $20. The Nike Jordan fanny packs. I don't know what the regular price is though. No, so they're normally 30, so $10 off. They do have a decent amount of Jordan apparel. Prices are pretty decent. All those hoodies you can see going for $50 right there. Those are going for $30. They do have quite a few different sizes too. Those going for $60. Those, I don't know, those track pants, the button up on the sides normally go for $125, going down to for $40. Dang, that's crazy. Those sweatpants, $50. I think those normally go for like $80 or something. I don't know the exact price. We saw this shirt a while back. It says $35. I think these were down for like 15 or 20 before. I guess they ran out of those sweatshirts. They had a bunch of sweatshirts with that on there. Guess they're all gone. And then wearing by Pegasus Turbos, you guys. Pegasus Turbos. T-shirt and long pants. Pretty much about it. We do have a bunch of Jordan t-shirts and Nike t-shirts for $10. Guess they have Champion t-shirts as well. All going for $10. Pretty solid deals. Jordan by Nike, we've seen these. We haven't seen them for $10 though. Flight shirts, $10. More Jordan shirts, $10. Damn. Alright, let's go check out the next shop, you guys. I forgot to show you guys, this is the Back to the Future Mall. This is where the DeLorean did go 88 miles per hour. Yeah, and they still have that sign right there. I totally forgot about that. Alright, we are at Foot Locker now. This is a low volume store, so I'm really curious to see if they have any solid deals. It is really small, but yeah. See, you go to the low volume stores and you find interesting stuff, you guys. This is the Jordan section right here. I haven't seen these in forever. Holy crap. I had a chance to get these at the outlet. I think I should have. The bottom color kind of killed it for me. But yeah, Chinese New Year 13s. These are 10.5. I'm not seeing any crazy steals. Solid prices though, but not anything crazy. Do got some all red Air Max 95s going for $80, so I think that's 50% off, so not too bad. Air Max 97s, these are 50% off as well. Some 2090s, Air Max 2090s, some of them are on sale, not too shabby. I think some of these are at this price at the outlets, right? Got some Element Reacts, got some more Element React 87s. Ooh, got the Visions. Okay, $70 for those. Prestos. Yeah, see, we do have some decent prices here. More Presto Reacts going for $70. Usual Suspects on sale. PG4s always on sale everywhere. More PG4s. LeBrons as well as everything else. Then yeah, dude, I made fun of these, like, because people were talking about how rare these are. And, like, I swear to God, I've seen this at so many different Foot Lockers, man. I don't know, people tripping. Some of the trainers, interesting colorways on sale. I forgot to show Eduardo. Sorry, my bad, Eduardo. But yeah, shout out to Eduardo. Thanks for saying what's up. Got to talk for a few minutes. That was pretty cool. I love talking to you guys. Make sure you guys say what's up when you guys do see me somewhere. They do have a really good selection of the Adidas right here. I'm telling you, Foot Lockers have been cheaper than the Adidas outlets, you guys. It really has been. So yeah, we saw those earlier today. Yeah, I'm going to kind of skip those. We're going to wrap it up. All right, time to wrap it up, you guys. Time to wrap it up. All right, I'm headed back to Champs because Bosco got an order there. One of his members purchased something, so he's out there getting it for him. The reason I'm talking about this is because I do not do pickups, you guys. I'm sorry, I just don't have time. I am way too busy. I think the last 12 days, I think I worked 140 hours the last 12 days. So I literally don't have time. So that's why if you guys want pickups, check out Bosco's channel. Bosco does do pickups. He's here right now to pick something up. So yeah, make sure you guys check out his stuff, you guys. Dude, these jackets are normally $100. They're going for 30, you guys. Holy crap. They got XL, double XL. I think they even have triple XL. So it seems like the bigger sizes. Holy crap, that's just crazy, guys. It's such a crazy price. These down to $30. These are normally $80, I believe, but yeah, they do. Oh, they do have a medium, and they do have a couple XLs. So yeah, sizing is kind of an issue, but if you can find something, man, it's super cheap. Got the matching pants for both of them, $30 for those. Those are normally $80. That's a hell of a deal. All right, I sound like a freaking infomercial, but make sure you guys go ahead and check his channel out.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it.
Because he does do pickups.
Always.
Because he does do pickups. I don't. I'm sorry. I just don't have time. Yeah, my work schedule is just ridiculous. Like, I barely have time to make the YouTube videos, especially since I throw one every day. So make sure you guys check out his channel. He does do pickups, does do similar stuff too. He also does sneaker reviews, sneaker news, and stuff like that. So make sure you guys check out his channel. Like,
appreciate
it. He's always going to be around with me, so it is what it is. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Definitely hope you guys enjoyed it. I thought that. What did you think about the Champ store? I forgot that.
I mean, they had some deals, but I mean, it was a good selection. I guess that's what you get from a Champs outlet. The thing is, you got to get what you can because they don't have a lot of back stock. So that's the thing. It's too far in between. If you find something, you better hope it's your size because they don't have any more to back it up. But it was a dope experience. Though.
Their selection of sizes and stuff like that might not be the greatest, but they do have a few things that are worth copying. The deals are amazing, like if you can find something. So it is pretty cool, you guys. So make sure you guys go check it out. Puente Hills Mall. Make sure you guys help your boy out. Press that like button.
Hit the like button. Subscribe.
Yeah. Subscribe as well. Make sure you guys check out his channel. And you guys know both of us will have plenty of other videos. So yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.